हेलो एंड नमस्ते टू ऑल ऑफ यू. यू नो व्हाट, अगर ये रील आपकी फीड पे आई है 29 जुलाई के पहले एंड 31 जुलाई के पहले एंड 1 अगस्त के पहले एंड अगर ये रील आपकी फीड पे 2:22 AM के पहले आई है, then definitely this message is for you. इसमें there is no caption, no hashtag. It's purely energy based. जिसके पास ये मैसेज पहुंचना है उसके पास पहुंचेगा. बाकी लोग प्लीज don't try to fit in. Okay? I usually do not record any video so late at night, but tonight I'm feeling like कि कल full moon है and energies are very high. Plus, the Lions Gate portal has already opened, which is going to intensify on 8th of August. So make sure whatever you guys are thinking, wherever you guys are putting your energy, आप बहुत faithful हैं उस energy के लिए. Do not fluctuate your mind. और अगर आप किसी से patch up या किसी से कोई मैसेज एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, किसी से कुछ भी एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, किसी का रिटर्न एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, be very faithful to your thoughts while recording. I saw 111, so yes, angels are listening and they are with you. You're guided. Queen of Wands, and we have the Three of Cups with the Empress. The theme of today's reading is celebration. Celebration of you finding yourself. Celebration of finally understanding what your heart wants. Celebration of manifesting exactly something that you're meant for. ये celebration हो रहा है आपकी लाइफ में. We have two queens. This is not a gender specific reading, let me tell you that. But right now, whosoever my collective is, जिसके पास भी मैसेज पहुंच रहा है, आप लोग अपनी पहचान को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हो. Because for a very long time you guys weren't aware of yourself, but this year, since the start, has been a roller coaster. And right now you're somewhere where you have absolutely gaining clarity on yourself. While recording, I saw 222. Yes, angels are with you. Alright, signs. पहले तो 29th जुलाई के पहले अगर ये रील आपके फीड में आ रही है, this message is absolutely meant for you. Second, there is, a satisfaction in your chest. अगर कुछ आपके हिसाब से नहीं भी हो रहा है तो भी you're feeling very light. Whatever heaviness was there, वो आपके शोल्डर से ऑफलोड हो चुका है. कलर येलो, ग्रीन, वाइट, peach, orange, lemon playing a very vital role. Come to part 2. Yes. So guys, somewhere you are attracting abundance in your life. Not just in your personal life, but professional life as well. Somewhere I'm also getting the message that आपकी health भी काफ़ी improve हो रही है. मेरे collective की कोई ना कोई health issue चल रहा है, चाहे आपके वो टीथ से लेके हो या लेग या फीट एरिया में कुछ हो. वाइल रिकॉर्डिंग आई सॉ 333 या फिर a lot of hair fall, something gut issue as well, and runny nose. So this is the energy of my collective और ये काफ़ी टाइम से चलती चली आ रही है. okay, right now everything is just falling into place, not just in your personal life but your professional life, your health and everything, and I'm loving the energy. Let's dive deep into this reading and figure out that what is this happiness all about in your life. काफ़ी टाइम से you guys were looking for clarity and you're getting that clarity. I'm getting very strong message of you getting clarity from a particular person, somebody. While recording I saw 444 and right now the time is 11:44. Number 4, very significant. You are protected by your angels. So if something didn't work out in the past, it was a way that your angels were protecting you from something negative, because people are keeping an evil eye on you. So let's check whosoever you're thinking about while watching this video. What are their actions in upcoming 12 days? और ये एक्शन 12 अगस्त के आसपास और 12 अगस्त तक में बीच में हो जाएंगे, starting from 29 July till 12th of August, not beyond that. Think about your person, close your eyes, and let's check their energies for you, that what are they thinking about you and what actions they're gonna take. While shuffling also, I saw this card, Star card, and it is here. You know what? Their feelings about you is they want peace and harmony. They want to create a safe space, not just for you but for themselves as well, because somewhere they always had trust issues due to some external factor. अगर बात बाहर चली गई तो somewhere I'm even feeling that there is age gap between you and your partner. Not necessary for all of you, but yes. And that is somewhere all the trust issues were happening. Like, what if society gets to know? What if somebody might create a scene for you two? So that is the reason they always pull back their energy, and even they want peace, even they want clarity, because somewhere right now your person is also overthinking, that too in a negative way. काफ़ी सारे questions हैं आप दोनों के mind में जो आप दोनों को clarity देनी है एक दूसरे को, and इस time frame में वो clarity आ रही है. Yes, a new chapter, a new beginning is happening between you two. There's something fresh coming, something not just clarity. Your person is somebody who has always been hiding, escaping, and they want to start something in a better way. क्योंकि जो भी आपके बीच में अभी है ये बहुत ही chaotic है, very, बहुत ड्रामा, एंड ड्रामा एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर ने तो 20% किया है, ये आप दोनों के ओवर थिंकिंग का ड्रामा है. लुक, वी हैव द जजमेंट कार्ड and we have the emperor, we had the empress as well. So your connection is a divine feminine and divine masculine connection. ये बिल्कुल भी surface level का नहीं. आप जितना भागना चाहेंगे एक दूसरे से, कोई न कोई circumstances आप दोनों को एक दूसरे के सामने वापस लाके खड़ा करेगा. You both have ego, you both are currently controlling heavily. You both are powerful individual, तो यहाँ पे ego clash बहुत होता है. Somewhere you both start having this unhealthy competition also between each other. Not just the ego clash and power clash, but many different things as well. Yes, but the ultimate truth is you both complete each other on a very different level. Apology, and we have loyalty. Yes, that is what it is. Something is happening behind your back. There's a strong feeling of something is happening behind your back, guys. कुछ तो आपसे बहुत छुपा हुआ है. And you know what? It's not from this person only who you're dealing with. We have 4 of Wands. Oh my God, guys, we have the Empress again. You know what? You guys need to be in your power because my collective is very powerful, very, very powerful. We have two empress and we have the emperor as well. This is not a gender-based reading. You guys have somewhere given your power, given your control to some third person. It is not even with each other right now. It is with some third person who is creating the distance between you two. It's not you two anymore. There's a third person who is creating this drama, and the worst part is आप emperor हैं, empress हैं, आप king queen हैं, yet you guys have forgotten your energy, you guys have forgotten yourself, कि आप अपने आप में कितने समझदार individual हैं. We have queen of sword, and because of all the drama आप दोनों दूसरे से अलग हो गए हो, और ये डिस्टेंस आप दोनों की बनाई हुई नहीं, किसी थर्ड पर्सन की बनाई हुई है. While recording ISO 1111, huge sign, and we have the page of cups. There's a drama happening. Again, we have fool. They want a fresh beginning, even you want a fresh beginning with them, but some third person has created a drama, heavy drama, and you guys are innocent because आप दोनों बहुत ही फुलिशली सब चीज़ें बताए जा रहे हो उस थर्ड पर्सन को, और वो बहुत फ़ायदा उठा रहा है आप दोनों के बीच में डिस्टेंस क्रिएट करने का ऑन अ वेरी डिफरेंट लेवल. आई रियली वांट टू चेक व्हाट्स द टी, व्हाट्स हैपनिंग बिहाइंड योर बैक. द कार्ड्स, they just want to flow. See, this is what I meant. The cards, they just want to go out. We have quiet content. Simple companionship brings peace and satisfaction. कोई तो थर्ड पर्सन है जिसने आप दोनों के दिमाग में ये डाल रखा है दैट जो आप लोगों का वर्जन था एक दूसरे के साथ रिलेशनशिप का, वो आप लोग भूल के किसी थर्ड पर्सन के इशारे पे यू गाइज आर डूइंग ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. फॉर द सेकेंड टाइम आई एम गेटिंग दिस कार्ड. Doubts surface. Okay, enough, guys. Wait. You both are doubting each other's action. कहीं ना कहीं आप दोनों को ये लग रहा है कि आप बात बाहर फैला रहे हो या वो बात बाहर फैला रहे हैं, और इस पे जीत हो रही है थर्ड पार्टी की. ये थर्ड पार्टी आपको कोई बहुत करीबी भी हो सकता है, who is not happy. All right, we're going to take one card for what's the guidance for you and what are your person's future action in 10 days में. क्या लेने का वो सोच रहे हैं आपके तरफ. There is a third person, not romantically involved, but somebody who is creating a lot of drama between you and your person. There's a third person. And we have Knight of Swords and Nine of Pentacles. Sorry, Nine of Wands. This is the confusion. This is the confusion that you guys are going through while recording ISO 1414. Again, 4 number, very significant over here. Okay, you know what? Your person wants to come towards you, but because of all the drama that is created over here, they're stopping. They want to take action. They want to be impulsive. They want to lose their control. They want to cut all the boundaries. They want to cut the distance between you and them. But there's a third party. The guidance for you is, while recording, I saw 1444. Again, number 4. Oh my God. Do not share your plans with anybody. Let them come to you. Because even they are seeking clarity, and you guys are very close to a successful bond with each other. Yes. God bless my collective. Do claim this energy by typing 4444 in the comment section. And this reel is an energy exchange. So the more you interact with this video, the more you are attracting this energy in your life. Take care, love you all. Jai Shri Ram.